That's the road. Okay, I'm gonna start with the flat brush. Start from the sky. It's a pretty gray day today. Start from over here. And I'm gonna mix a little bit more like warm gray color with just a little bit brownish right in here. Under the snow have some very beautiful grass. So this is green, have to have a little red into it. Okay, like that. Here you go. Okay. A little bit more brighter. So to get the yellow with the blue, a little bit less red. And this is good. I'm gonna come over here, leave a little gap, maybe somewhere a little bit touching if we want. Over here, get a little bit warmer and the blue. Here you go. A bit more red. A little bit more red. This is good. I'm gonna start coming over here. Like that. I'm gonna come over here, tap the little color in here. That's good. Like that. And then I'm gonna come a little bit forward over here and get a little bit more tiny red and yellow. So feel a little bit more like a light brown color. A light brown color is very close to orange color, right? Okay, here you go. Like that. That's good. Okay. That's good. Again, I have a little bit dry brush. Make it feel like some snow on top. That's just good. Like that. Okay. And maybe come down a little bit. Just tap on it. This is pretty good. Okay. Now I'm going to come back over here. Have a little bit lighter brown color. Like a light brown orange color. Have a little bit tiny. I'm going to tap it right over here on the edge. Okay. Have a little bit over here too. And still keep a little bit light shape. So make it feel like snow. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Right over here. Yeah. That's good. Now I'm going to start coming over here. It's just the corner of the brush. That's good. Like that. Here you go. I'm going to have a little bit bigger first. Okay, here you go. And have a little bit tiny more blue. This has blue. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Like that. And have a little big shape. Okay, that's good. Okay, and look for the shape. Look for how the shape create nice composition. Okay, like that. Doesn't have to be exactly the same, but okay, that's good. Now I'm going to have a little bit darker color under the tree. And I try to use this flat brush a little bit longer. Okay, here you go. Like that. That's good. And think about the balance instead of the object. And here you go. Like that. That's good. And have a little bit dark color over here too. That's just good. Like that. This side can be a little bit lighter, but it will be okay. I'm gonna actually, I like to have a little bit dark color like that. Start from a little bit grayish right over here. Okay, look at that. Coming down a bit more. Take a little bit. Okay, dry brush. Here you go. Okay, that's good. Here you go. Now I'm going to start from this tree. Okay, like that. Okay, here you go. Like that. The outer part is a little bit later. Now I'm going to take a look at this one. This one over here. Look at that. Coming over here. A little bit thicker. That's nice. Now I'm going to have this tree a little bit closer. And here you go. I'm going to keep a little bit shape. Here now. Okay, gradually moving it. Okay, good. Now look back to the scene. I want to add a person to it. I'm going to mix a little bit brown. So let's get the yellow and the red. That's pretty good. Maybe I have a little bit tiny blue. So I'm going to take a little bit more green up over here. The bottom of the skirt will be here. Like that. Plan it. This is good. Now the head will be here. Okay, that's good. No rush. Think about it. Look at it before you. Now I'm going to have a little bit lighter and come back to give more definition. So I'm going to just have a little bit tiny more red, like from here. Here, all the way coming down. Okay. All the way. Okay. Take a look at. That's good. All right, now the shoulder. Open up a bit. So this. That's good. Like that. And coming, take a look at on this side. And this. Like that. I'm going to have a little bit yellow and red. Let's just make it a little bit brighter. Now here we go. Coming over here. And coming to here and the back. Like that. That's good. Okay. So I'm going to take a look. There's a little bit cooler color under here. Okay. Like that. Yeah. Like that. It looks like there is some snow. Like that. I'm gonna add a little snow into this. This is the white gouache. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you want to watch the full version, and even better, come to join us. I will teach you step by step how to paint this. As a member, you can also access to all the full videos in our member learning center. See you in our next video.